Students, let's see how your preparation is going on. First question. Which hormone triggers ovulation? Right answer, option number D, LH, luteinizing hormone. Question number 2. Which gland secretes testosterone in males? Right answer, option number B, testis. Question number 3. In females, eggs are produced in the option number C, ovaries. Question 4. Which hormone maintains pregnancy? Right answer, option number A, progesterone. Question 5. Spermatogenesis occurs in the right answer, option number D, seminiferous tubules. Question number 6. Which structure is the site of implantation of the embryo? Right answer, option B, uterus. Question number 7. What is the primary site of the fertilization in females? Right answer, option number E, fallopian tube. Question number 8. Which part of the sperm contains enzyme to penetrate the egg? Right answer, option number C, acrosome. Question number 9. The male reproductive cell is called option number A, sperm. Question number 10. The primary function of the scrotum is to option number B, to maintain the temperature. 11. The ovum is viable for fertilization for about 12 to 24 hours. Option number A is the right answer. 12. In males, the tube that carries both urine and semen is called the option number C, urethra. 13. Which organ produces both estrogen and progesterone? Option number E, ovary. 14. Which hormone is responsible for the development of female secondary sexual characteristics? Option number C, it is estrogen. 15. The union of a sperm and an ovum results in the formation of zygote. Option number D. 16. Which layer of the uterus is shed during menstruation? Option B is the right answer. It is the endometrium. 17. Which hormone is high during the luteal phase? It is the progesterone. Option number C. 18. The corpus luteum is formed from option number E, the follicle after ovulation. Option number A is the right answer. 19. Which part of the sperm contains mitochondria? Right answer is option number D. It is the mid piece. Question number 20. Oogenesis in females begins before the birth. Option number B. 21. How many eggs are released during a normal menstrual cycle? Option C is the right answer. Only one. 22. The gestation period for humans is approximately factual value. You have to remember it. It is the 40 weeks. Option A is the right answer for this question. 23. Which gland is responsible for milk ejection reflex? Right answer, option D, pituitary gland. 24. Which structure connects the fetus to the placenta? This is called umbilical cord. Option B is the right answer, the umbilical cord. 25. Which hormone is primarily secreted by the placenta during pregnancy? It is the HCG. Option C is the right answer. It is the HCG hormone. 26. What is the function of the amniotic fluid? Its function is to, option number D, protection of the embryo. Option number D is the right answer. 27. Semen is a combination of sperm and secretion from, option B, prostate and seminal vesicles. 28. Which of the following is a male accessory reproductive gland? Option D is the right answer, the prostate. 29. Which hormone is detected by pregnancy tests? It is the HCG again. Option number A is the right answer. The HCG hormone is detected by pregnancy tests. 30. Which process restores the diploid number of chromosomes? It is the fertilization. Option B is the right answer. 31. Which phase of the menstrual cycle involves ovulation? Right answer, option C, the ovulatory phase. 32. Which hormone initiates spermatogenesis? Right answer, option A, the FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. 33. Which of the following is not part of the male reproductive system? Right answer, of course it is the ovary, option number C. 34. Which hormone causes milk production after childbirth? Right answer, option B, the prolactin. 35. The fertilized egg gets implanted in the, right answer, option number D, the endometrium. 36. The hormone inhibin in males is secreted by, it is the Sertoli cells, option B. 37. Which structure stores sperm temporarily? Right answer, option C, the epididymis. 38. Which hormone helps in the descent of the testes? It is the testosterone, option number A is the right answer. 39. Which hormone is responsible for the contraction of the uterus during childbirth? Right answer, option number C, the oxytocin. Question 40. What is the normal pH of the vagina in adult females? Right answer, option B, 3.8 to 4.5, which means it is slightly acidic in nature. 41. What is the average volume of semen ejected during one event? Approximately it is 2 to 5 ml. 42. Which hormone prevents the breakdown of the endometrium during early pregnancy? Right answer, option B, the HCG. 43. Which structure produces the fluid that nourishes the sperm? Right answer, option C, the seminal vesicles. Option C is the right answer. Question 44. The capacitation of the sperm occurs in the female reproductive tract. Option A is the right answer. 45. The hormone responsible for thickening of the endometrium is, it is the estrogen. Option C is the right answer. It is the estrogen hormone. 46. The fetal heartbeat can generally be detected after, factual value you have to remember it, option B, 6 weeks. 47. Which membrane directly surrounds the embryo? It is called the amnion. Option number D. It is called the amnion. Amniotic sac. 48. Which hormone regulates the menstrual cycle by stimulating follicle growth? It is the FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. So option B is the right answer for this question. 49. Which gland produces lubrication during sexual arousal in females? Right answer, option D, the Bartholin's gland. Next question. 50. Which organ forms the birth canal during delivery? Right answer, option A, the vagina. So option B is the right answer for this question. Students, here comes the end of the video. If you have enjoyed the session, please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe.